India dan pui Constitution Article zathum somni palina aha in ziangin sangkha zakwa somnga dan pui mantran na ni atangin ramchunga in thanna fel file thiang hlim buat saitu tur commission Election Commission of India ECI din nga lani chung hunlai chuan Chief Election Commissioner CEC in hama chawin he commission hian kolthin CEC masaber Sukumar Sen hi kumriat chung CEC ni in Lok Sabha General Election masaber sangkha zakwa somnga pakhat top lam matanga sangkha zakwa somnga pahni kumtir lam thlenga nei le avoi ni na sangkha zakwa somnga pasaria nei te ama kai suai na le rem ruat na anga nei ani heng hunlai hian India rama kumsom ni pakhat tlingchin te chawin vote an thlak thin hun na local zela sangkha zakwa somriat pariata vote nei theichin chu kumsom ni pakhat atangin kumsom pariata ti hniamani chumi rual chuan rampuma nasatakin voters anpung chumi ani awang chuan in thlan buai puile electoral roll siam felvel konga nasatakin na apunga chuwangin sangkha zakwa somriat pakua Chief Election Commissioner puiturin Election Commissioner dang pahni ruat bel anni sangkha zakwa somkua Election Commissioner pahni te post chu ti top lai lok le ani mase sangkha zakwa somkua pathum matanga voin thlengin chung post pahni te chu omchun zom tir ani le ta char thung India dan puya ain ziangin Election Commission of India hian ramchunga in than sang Lok Sabha le Rajya Sabha in thante State Legislative Assembly le Council in thante President of India le Vice President of India in thante abuai puyin abuat sai thrina abak in thandang municipal le village level in thanero State Election Commission SEC kuta manithung in thanna kaltlanga sarkar lopiang thin ani awangin in thanna fel file thiang hlim nei atul chumi konga mo phurtu Election Commission hi commission poimo takani ti chu hairuala ni lo nikum sang ni somni pahni me ni som pali khan Chief Election Commissioner nilai Sushil Chandra hatrama to pawangin Election Commissioner nimek Rajiv Kumaran aya tichuan Election Commissioner post pakhat no kha lovin omzui tharuk zet chu post Election Commissioner post chu no kha lova da ruwa ani chungin sangkha zakwa somriat pali batch IAS officer pension hlim te zinga Election Commissioner ni chak tamtakan mase chu tiang ani lai chuan sang ni somni pahni November ni som pariata sangkha zakwa somriat panga batch IAS officer sang ni somni pahni December ni som thum pakhata pension tur Arun Goelan pension hun tur thlenma ni somli ala tia voluntary pension nadila chu adil na chu mini la chuan pomsak ni in atuk November ni som pakua President of India in chu IAS officer ahmani chia voluntary pension na chuakta Arun Goel chu Election Commissioner thar atana ruat ani thu achwa zui ngal kan riat angin heng hun sang ni somni pahni November thla hi Gujarat State Legislative Assembly General Election nei don lai vel ani IAS officer pension hlim tamtakin Election Commissioner ni ve beiseya tharuk chung zet an lo thlir ruk laya pension la hun lo Arun Goel voluntary achhuatira Election Commissioner ruat ngal lani hi political party sang le NGO tamtakin nandu lo thu anaw chua pui ngala chuan Supreme Court hian la thleng chhobok sang ni som pariat atangin Supreme Court hian Election Commissioner ruat dan chungchang hi alo ngai tua chhoto shimshima Arun Goel Election Commissioner atana ruat ani dan chungchang angai tu ana darkar somni palichunga IAS officer ban na sarkar lai pui na pomsak ngal le atuk loka Election Commissioner atana thanna tur file abuat saitan ngal te chu mini veka President pompui na thlenga lak fel ngal vek ani te chu Supreme Court in mak ati hle Kol pespi tang maya chaka mi pakhat chungchanga file bo zuya chin fel ani hi enge a chan sarkar lai pui hian a hma tangin he mi hian lo hual rusa rengem ni ti in Supreme Court hian sarkar lai pui ukil ne na zo na ha zo ta tin chu ba ka sarkar lai puin election commissioner te ruat na tur dan mu mal tak asiam ma chuan Prime Minister ba ka Lok Sabha a eptu party lian ber leader le Chief Justice of India 10 an pathuma election commissioner tur hi an ruat thin to tur thu Supreme Court hian apuang bok he thu Supreme Court in apuan hi kumin Mars thlatir kha ani a ti chuan thlanga liam hnu tun parliament fur thut khoma khan Union Law and Justice Minister Arjun Ram Meghwalan Rajya Sabha bill thar aron puluta chu a bill putlu The Chief Election Commissioner and Other Election Commissioners Bill 2023 chuan Election Commissioner le Chief Election Commissioner thangtu tur Selection Committee hasiama chu committee ya chuan Chief Justice of India aya Cabinet Minister pakhat tel ani he bill hi up to MP 10 na sataka soiselin House an chuasan veka BJP chu Election Commission za omna tibor bang le Demokrasi suasama anpu Chief Justice of India aya Cabinet Minister pakhat da ani chuan chu Cabinet Minister chu Prime Minister ruat ani dona wangin Prime Minister thu anial ngam don lo ti na hani a Lok Sabha opposition leader in ngai dan sang nei ve ma se Prime Minister le Cabinet Minister te hian an midu zong zong Election Commissioner atan an ruat thei mai to don ti na ani nakum sang ni samni pali me thla a Lok Sabha in thlan pui nei ani ma February thla a Election Commissioner nilai pakhat Anup Chandra Pandey atra matop to dona wangin apos ruak lua khat tu tur mi pakhat ruat thar le angai dona BJP lam hian an midu zong zong an ruat le mai thei don ni in alangta ani Chief Election Commissioner le Election Commissioner te office luat thei hun chung reiber hi kumruk chung atan ti ani a ma se chumi ma kum somruk panga hantlin chuan kum somruk panga hantlin ni in an tram hi atop ngal thin nikum November thla Modi a sarkar in du sak taka darkar somni pali chunga Election Commissioner atan an ruat ngal chuk chuk Arun Goel hi tuna Chief Election Commissioner nilai Rajiv Kumar sang ni somni panga a atra matop rualin Chief Election Commissioner ani chho tura ngai ani a chung huna chuan ama du sak MM2 BJP hi aron du sak let ve via wangem ti te po zo na poimo tak ani thei ome ramchung politics in herzel le thil khleng tam tak zinga kan riat ve tur thil poimo le chanchin bengwar thak tak tak tenen in mu chun zom zel kan tumanga tunata ni ro chuan heti chin hini le report se next video in mu le theu kan tum don nia chumi ma chu mang tha le ri vek phot ule